Logged out of the FC26 companion app by the signed into another device error? Don't worry, this common login error is fast and easy to fix. Let's get you back in the game. Welcome to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are fixing the FC26 companion app or web app login error. Sign into another device, skip the headache. Here is the step-by-step fix that works. Let's go. Method 1. Log out and log in again. If you are facing a login error in FUT, exit Football Ultimate Team. From the error screen, press the button to go back. You might get a prompt. Are you sure you want to exit Football Ultimate Team? Select yes to confirm. Now return to the main menu. After exiting FUT, you will land on the game's main menu. Wait a few seconds to ensure the game resets any session data. Now retry logging in. On the main menu, select retry or enter Ultimate Team again. This often refreshes your session and resolves the error. If that does not work for you, quit the game completely. To do that, press the home button, then highlight the game, then press options, then select close application. Exit the game from the launcher or task manager. Restart the game and try logging in again. Method 2. Wait for some time and try again. If the FC26 web app is having issues, the best approach is to wait patiently for a few minutes before trying again. This pause allows time for temporary issues like server overload, maintenance, or network issues to resolve themselves. During this waiting period, the app's backend might be rebooting, updates could be rolling out, or traffic congestion may be easing. After waiting, refresh the page or reopen the app to see if it's back online. Method 3. Check the EA game server status. The issue can also occur if the game server is down or under maintenance. So you can check the EA server status from this link. If there is any issue on the server side, then wait till the server becomes up and live again. Method 4. Check the internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable internet connection. You can check the internet speed from speedtest.net from another device, provided it is connected to the same internet. If the internet connection is slow, then contact your service provider for help. You can also restart your router or modem and check if that works. Method 5. Wait for the updates. If the account you're using is new and has never connected to a previous FC game, then you won't be able to sign in. You will have to wait until EA launches an update. Method 6. Clear browser cache. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can often resolve issues related to outdated or corrupted data. To clear Chrome browser cache, open Chrome and click on the 3 dots menu. Select Delete Browsing Data. Next, select All Time from the time range. Check all the boxes and click on Delete Data option. Confirm your action if asked and follow as shown to finish the process. Method 7. Use a supported browser. Ensure you are using a browser that supports WebGL such as Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Edge, or Opera. Try switching to a different browser if you encounter issues with your current one. Method 8. Disable browser extensions. Disable any browser extension that might interfere with the web app. Ad blockers, VPNs, and other extensions can sometimes cause issues. Here we are showing how to disable Chrome extensions. Open Chrome menu, then select Extensions, then Manage Extensions. Here you can remove or disable the browser extensions. Confirm if asked. Once done, try to launch the game and check. Method 9. Contact EA support. If the methods shown in this video could not fix the EA Sports FC26 error, then you can reach out to EA support for help. You can get in touch with live support through the official EA help site, or you can reach out via X, formerly Twitter or Facebook, for help as well if you prefer. Done. You have fixed the signed into another device error and can finally manage your FC26 Ultimate Team again. If this tip saved your sanity, hit like and subscribe, drop a comment below, and let me know you are back in the market. Thanks for watching, and you will see you in the next time.